Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for always supporting my channel. Maze, kama ni mara yako ya kwanza kujipata katika channel hii, nitakusii tafadhali uweze kufinya hiyo subscribe na ufinya hiyo notification bell. Ndio nikiupload another video, unakuwa amongst the first people to be notified. Hii topic ya leo ni kwa wale wanawake ambao wanajielewa, ambao wamekomaa, ambao wako katika mahusiano na ama wako katika ndoa. Mwanamke wakati wowote ule ambao anajihusisha na mambo na kuchapana kuni lazima afike kileleni. Kama huwa hafiki kileleni, basi bro, wewe unafanya jambo baya sana ili kumwacha akiwa ako pending. Orgasm is the sweetest thing a woman can experience in this wild world. And it takes place just within some seconds during sexual intercourse, and yet only a few women experience it, which is very true. Here are some tips to follow so she can get to the point of orgasm. Number 1, women, free your mind, body, and soul before going to bed. Tune your spirit to sex and put your mind on it even before your husband comes to bed or your boyfriend. Number 2, take more of Dates and vitamin B. It makes you become so sweet and honey. Number 3, discover yourself first. Don't let your man to discover you. Let yourself discover yourself first. Know the parts of your body that move you and turn you on, and tell your husband or boyfriend to touch them perfectly well. Husband or boyfriend should do more foreplay, sucking breasts, vagina, and fingering. Tell your boyfriend or your hubby to tickle your nipple, clitoris, neck, belly, and earlobes. He can start by using his tongue to gently massage your clitoris, breasts, and before penetration. Number 4, he should suck your nipple while thrusting in and out of you, also licking your neck and earlobes at intervals. Number 5, try riding him yourself while he touches your breasts or nipples. This will stimulate the hormones and responsible for orgasm. That style is called cowgirl position. When he is thrusting in and out of you, the easiest way for him or for you to reach orgasm is for you to let your clitoris touch or touches those areas around his dicks. The dick is hairy and it will make your clitoris sensational, and it will make easier for you to reach orgasm. Press hard and just be turning your waist. Wine your waist, and within 2 minutes you will come. Let your hubby not come out immediately after he releases. In most women, the sensation always comes again immediately after the man, releases. Just hold his waist tight and concentrate, and you will come another time again. The sensation and sweetness of the man and the woman coming at the same time is the best feeling ever. It's called super sex. Please use a condom. Don't blame me if you get a disease or pregnant. Tunapiga hii kitu kuni mpaka inatoa moshi. Kwani iko nini?